Namaste, Dr. Charu here at Yogaheals. Thank you for listening. Today we are going to talk about hand-foot pose, Hastapadasana, which is a forward bend. So it's great for the strength in the building the strength in the muscles of the back, arms and legs. It is a great asana for losing fat around the tummy. It burns all the extra fat in the entire abdominal region. It is great for inducing a sense of calmness because it increases the blood supply in the brain when we put our head down, and we'll just have a look at how. So it's great for helping with anxiety. It also induces more hair growth on the head. It's great for digestion. It massages the abdominal organs. And it even opens up the top lobes in the lungs, so increases our overall ventilation and improves our breathing. When can you not practice it? So if you have high blood pressure or heart problems, or high eye pressure, like in glaucoma, or headaches, migraine, or if you are pregnant, or you have any other abdominal issue like a hernia, then you should avoid practicing Hastapadasana. And also if you have any back issues like wrist prolapse or cervical spondylitis, please avoid any forward bends, not just this one. Right. So let's see how to practice hand-foot pose. I will go on my mat now. Right. So we will stand with our feet together, hands by the sides, shoulders relaxed. Take a normal breath, calm down the mind. Inhale and stretch your arms above your head. Give some length to the spine by stretching completely. Slightly arch back, look towards your palms. And while exhaling, bend from the waist, come down all the way. Bringing the forehead towards the knees. Then grab your ankles or place your palms by the side of the feet. Keep pushing your feet into the mat and keep pushing the hips and tailbone up. Bringing the forehead towards the knees. And now to release, slowly inhale and come out. Vertebra by vertebra, slowly. And while exhaling, release your arms and bring them on the side. So this was hand-foot pose. It is okay if you cannot come down all the way to your knees. As much as you can bend comfortably, do that. Notice for any pain in your back, avoid when you start having pain. Always listen to your body. The important thing is to just improve a little by little every day, or even just being consistent every day with whatever you are doing. It's not important how deep you can get in the stretch. So take care, stay safe, happy to answer any questions. Thank you. Namaste.